Welcome to the final part of this project. For the last 2 weeks we've been working on this project bit by bit. Today I'm going to make some king pieces because I think it would be a little bit easier than just stacking these little foam pieces since they're so light and flimsy. Instead of having 2 flimsy pieces that you have to move around every single step, you can just have this one bigger solid piece. I think it's a little more sturdy than having the 2 flimsy pieces together. I didn't do this in the video, but what I think I'm also gonna do is add little crowns onto the king pieces. That way they're easier to point out on the board. I'm not really sure how many extra pieces, like regular pieces or king pieces, that I should have, so I'll keep adding them as I need to later on. But for now I made just a couple extra pieces and a couple king pieces. If you've been following along with this project, let me know how it's been going. Share your progress photos with me on my Facebook page. And I'm very excited for next week. We're going to be drawing and inking and coloring. It's going to be so much fun.